Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be decluttering Felicia's kitchen. We're going to be decluttering and organising and making it all lovely for her. Do you have any visions in mind of what you'd like it to look like?
Oh, just something that's easy to find things, something where things are located in places that make sense and easy for me to access, and yeah, just having things laid out in a way that makes sense and yeah, less clutter.
We can certainly do that for you. Alright, we're going to get stuck straight in. Okay, so here we are emptying the kitchen cupboards. Now this particular afternoon we did not have time to declutter the entire kitchen. It was quite a big kitchen and Felicia had just moved house, so she actually moved from a smaller kitchen to a larger kitchen, so she had plenty of space to put things, but the amount of stuff, it was a little bit harder to access and to find the things that she wanted to use. She wanted to concentrate on wine glasses and plastic storage containers, so like little Tupperware containers and things like that, because these were the things that were causing her the most headaches in her kitchen, and she knew she had too much of these things and could definitely get rid of some of them.
Yeah.
I need your height.
Mel's just getting the chair.
You need to get them down.
Yeah.
So next time I'm coming back to the garage.
You're welcome to skip the kitchen right now and come to the garage. No, the tools do not get thrown out, ever.
Should I leave? Put like things in piles and put things I want to keep and things I don't?
Yeah.
We actually throwing stuff out too, are we?
I'm getting rid of half these wine glasses.
Yeah, this is the real deal.
Actually,
It's actually happening.
right. Just make sure you factor in how many wine glasses we break all the time.
Don't worry, mate, it's all under control. So I was really impressed. Felicia got rid of nearly half of her wine glasses and then we put the rest back in the cupboard. And I don't know why people like myself and Marie Kondo, who are really short, would insist on having a job where you have to get up and reach into tall cupboards all the time. So then it was on to looking at Tupperware containers, and like all normal households, Felicia's Tupperware, some of the lids grow legs in the middle of the night and run off and are never to be seen again. That's perfectly normal, it happens in my house too, and I don't know where those lids go. Anything accessible that you want to access easily, I'll put back in there. And the thing is, like, you put things back with all the intent, and then you'll find, oh, actually, I don't like that bit, while you're using it, and just adjust it.
So is your house just immaculately laid out?
My house is trashed at the moment because my husband and kids have been home the last for 24 hours. So as you can see here, there's a lot of rearranging just to get the containers fit into the drawer nicely. It doesn't have to be perfect though. As I said to Felicia just before, as you're using the things, you'll find the best way that works for you, what's the most convenient. You know, you might end up putting some containers at the front that you're using more often. It'll just become more obvious to you as you actually use all of the items in your everyday use. And watch this, underneath, I will shut the drawer here, and the bottom drawer, which was packed to the brim full before, is now almost empty. There you go, you're getting rid of stuff. That's good. Okay.
Is that one of those? Yeah. Oh, that goes in that. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this one back here?
That's an ice cream maker.
No, Mel, you don't need an ice cream maker. Let's look at some before and after shots, shall we? I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope it's given you some tips and tricks to help you declutter your kitchen or organise your kitchen. I hope you're happy with what we've done here, Felicia.
Wonderful, thank you. Yes, I'm feeling much more organised, so thank you.
Okay guys, well remember to subscribe if you haven't already by clicking my face below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.